Hey everyone! Today we're making a rich and nutty Perilla Mushroom Pasta. Perilla powder gives this dish its deep, toasty flavor, making every bite super satisfying. Cook the pasta to al dente, then drain and set it aside. For the sauce, mix 3 tablespoons of water, 1 of soy sauce, 2 of Perilla oil, 2 of mayo, and 2 of Perilla powder. Then stir well. Trim the base of the Enoki mushrooms and use about half of them. Roll up 5 Perilla leaves and slice them into thin strips. Heat olive oil in a pan and sauté the Enoki mushrooms for 2 minutes. Add the pasta, sauce, and Perilla leaves, then stir fry for another 2 minutes. Transfer to a plate and finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Wow, that nutty Perilla oil hits first. Then the deep, rich flavor of Perilla powder kicks in. The noodles are perfectly chewy, soaked in umami-packed soy sauce with a creamy touch from the mayo. No fancy techniques, just simple ingredients coming together for an amazing pasta. Give it a try next time you want something different. And of course, enjoy a simple K-meal.